Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, student. Welcome back to my channel. How are you today? Have a good day. Before we start our class today, let's recite Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we're having fun to show how to make something. Please learn it carefully. How to make a cup of hot coffee. Make sure to have 1 sachet of instant coffee, glass, spoon, and of course, hot water. Here is our easy step. Okay, you can pour the coffee to your cup, favorite cup, of course. And after that, number 2, add 118 cc of hot water. Okay, that's it. Number 3, stir it well to blend evenly. Okay. That is how to make a cup of hot coffee. It's simple, isn't it? Now, please try to make your own tutorial video about how to make something. It could be your mom's or your dad's or your favorite drinks. And please send it to your teacher by our e-learning portal. Have a good day, student. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.